Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka Sorkar Jylla ka singi balang ka arpusaw tarik unailar arajar arpuar kalawan ra ka draft bill ban pendam no ka rule Jong ka Jylla ka melatip kum ka Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Rules 2022 ban da ka pendrung bujili da ka an Jong ka Sorkar Pdeng. Menteri ka Sorkar Jylla James PK Sangma hak jingi kerang bigila pathai kubor hadian belawai ka jingalang Jong ka kunhun menteri ulaya thu Bahadian baka Sorkar kala pelong an ya ka Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014. Henry ka Sorkar Pdeng ru kala thau da kani ka ju hi ka an haus nam arajar khat saw ya ka platip kum ka Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014. Ka kunhun menteri ka balaya thirsani hadian bala yo jingbetha na ka Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs kala shemi ka rai ban pendam no ya ka an balashna da ka Sorkar Jylla.
A draft bill to repeal the State Act and to adopt the Central Act, and also the draft Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Rules 2022 for the state of Meghalaya was taken up and discussed. As you all know, that the state government had enacted the Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014. However, the Government of India recently had legislated in the year 2014 the Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act in March 2014. So, in a follow-up to the communication of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, the department has gone ahead to bring this agenda to the Cabinet to repeal the present Meghalaya Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Act 2014 and in its place adopt the Central Act. So this matter was discussed and the Cabinet gave its nod to the repeal of the State Act, and consequent to this we have also adopted the Regulation of Street Vending, Protection of Livelihood and Regulation of Street Vending Rules 2022. Well, I can read some of the salient points mentioned in the rules. So, it will involve the setting up of provisional town vending committees. Then the constitution of these town vending committees would be, in terms of official member, the chairperson would be the chief executive officer or the executive officer of the municipal board. Representative of the deputy commissioner, not below the rank of additional deputy commissioner, would be the member secretary. Representative of the police, not below the rank of ASP, would be, that is assistant superintendent of police, would be the member. Representative of traffic police, member. District health medical officer, member. Representative of planning authority, member, and representative of district council as a member. There would also be non-official members, which would namely be representatives of the street vendors shall not be less than 40% of total members in the committee. One representative from market and trade associations, one representative from non-government organizations and community-based organizations shall not be less than 10% of total members in the committee, one representative from local traditional institutions wherever applicable, and one representative from nationalized lead bank in the city or town as the case may be. There would be, the rules would spell out the mode of election or selection of the non-official members. The rules would also spell out the procedure for meeting of the town vending committees, then functions of the town vending committees, then constitution of the grievance redressal committees, about how people can make the, basically the form and manner of making application to the grievance redressal committee, etc., etc.